Today I will share with you about a new billion project in crypto truth matters. So Veritas token, the truth in cryptocurrency. So I will share all the details about the Veritas token. Bring transparency and innovation to the blockchain space. So this video is dedicated to it. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review of this Veritas token, also familiar as VTS. So built on robust blockchain tech with advanced security feature to protect your investment, and it is secure and reliable, designed for sustainable growth with real utility and community driven approach, high growth potential here. So and here you can see the future of cryptocurrency is here. Veritas token bring transparency and innovation to the blockchain space. Join their community and be a part of their revolution. You can see you can easily be able to get started on it. So this video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research before investing in any kind of project here. So you can see the details why choose Veritas token, so how it is different from other projects. So number one, you can see discover the feature that make Veritas token stand out in the crowded crypto space. Number one is secure and reliable, that it is built on robust blockchain technology with advanced security features to protect your investment. So they have also high growth potential, designed for long-term value appreciation with a sustainable tokenomics model. They have also even the community driven. Their token thrives on community participation and decentralized decision making. So it is given here, and you can see the details about that. These are three that features which make it designed for sustainable growth with a real utility and community driven approach, which give it high growth potential, community driven. So what is about Veritas token? You can see Veritas token VTS was created with a mission to bring transparency and truth to the cryptocurrency space in an industry often you can see plagued by misinformation and hype. They stand for verifiable facts and sustainable growth. You can see their blockchain experts and financial professionals have developed a token that combines the best aspect of decentralized finance with the real world utility. So you can see their tokenomics here. Tokenomics are the main part of the project, that from their total supply 60% will go for their allocation, 50% for their treasury reserve, and 10% for team and advisory, 10% for the community rewards, and 5% for their trust reserve. You can see carefully designed token distribution ensures long-term sustainability. So if we go for the roadmap, the strategic plan for Veritas tokens development and growth. Number one, they in quarter one of 23 connect development and white paper. In quarter two of 2023 they had done their token development. In quarter three of 23 they have launched their token launch on testnet. So furthermore, you can see the details about that, which is given here. The name is Veritas token. Launch date is August 6 2025, and the current price is $0.05 per VDS. You can see it is a community driven token with long-term goals. You can see Veritas token aims to promote transparency, truth, and decentralization in the crypto world. So you can see there here given here all the highlights about their roadmap. You can see their faces in quarter four. As you can see, one of 2024 they will go for mobile wallet development. In quarter two of 2024 they will go for the major exchange listing. You can see ready to join Veritas revolution, so you can go here. So you can see it is also on given here DeFi protocol, which is given here DEX tool. So you can see it on the DEX tool here. The graph is given a Veritas token. Their prices at that time, its price is low. You can easily be able to go into it, but do your own research. Their market cap is given, which is $989.95. Liquidity is $3.9k, and there you can see supply is 20.00k, 17 holders. You can see their details and their prices, which is going on. Their price is 0.049, which is approximately 0.05 per VTS dollar. You can see there. So you can even go and join them on their social media accounts, like on their Twitter, so that you can get more news about them here. So you can even join their Telegram. You can read their details. It is launched 6/8, price is 0.05, DEX listing active. You can see the details is given. So furthermore, you can even go and join them on the their Telegram too. It is a project which I share with you. It is a long-term project, but this video is for educational purpose. It is not financial advice. So keep in mind that, and do your own research before investing in it. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, give your thoughts in my comment area. Thank you so much.